Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at a glass screen protector here for the iPhone 11 Pro. So yeah, I kind of installed one a couple years ago on the iPhone 10. That didn't go great. I did not get one for my iPhone 10s that we have here. Basically, I've gotten a ton of scratches here, deep scratches too on my iPhone 10s. So I thought, let's go ahead and give this another shot. See if maybe this year I can do it properly and have that on my screen to prevent any deep scratches. Because I mean, those deep scratches is not something that I would use Apple Care for. And here it just came with the case, so that's kind of neat. But pretty cool case. We'll try that on in a sec to see. But here we have the screen protector. Let's pull this guy out and see what it looks like. It is a glass screen protector, of course, so it's hard to touch right here. You can see that. Let's see if there's anything else inside here. There must be like some installation thing. Okay, there we go. We got some pads and stuff. So let's go ahead and try to do this properly. Now, the best place you do want to do this in is in the bathroom because there's less dust because of the humidity. So already I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna go to the bathroom to do this. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But let's go ahead and try this out. So we open the package, we see what's in here. So we have a little microfiber cloth, a dust absorber, and guide stickers, as well as a cleaning wipe right here. So we can see that. Let's go ahead and let's just do the dust absorber. Let's try this out. I'm not even gonna follow directions or anything. I'm gonna just try this. So let's see here. We're just gonna try to get this installed as easily as possible. Let's go ahead and let's use the cleaning wipe. Let's do that. Oh, whoops. I'm not gonna place down this on the table, so it might not be as easy to see, but I do wanna get this kinda right. Let me just go ahead and put the guide stickers, which I'm assuming it's for something like that so that I can properly move around the protector while putting it on. All right, but now let's go ahead and remove this guy from whatever backing it's on. There we go. You can kind of see that there. Let's go ahead and keep going. Watch me just snap this. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead here, go again with the microfiber a few more times, mainly because I can see that some dust piled up again. And I'm just gonna go for this. I'm just gonna go for this. You can see the screen is pretty clean. I'm gonna just go for this. Oh, snap. God. So the guide sticker is not great. Let me go ahead and pass this one more time. No. I think this thing's gonna be easier without the guide stickers. I'm giving up on the guide stickers. I've been giving up on the guide stickers. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it close and we're gonna do it this way. I trust my guide. All right, that was significantly easier. Forget these guide stickers, guys. Just line up the top and line up the sides and that's it. It's really, we got brains for a reason, We got big brains, yes. There we go. So let me go ahead and just rub out some of the things here. All right, so I think there we go, guys. I think one of the things that I really liked about this one is that it has like black borders on the protector itself so that the borders are less visible. As you can see, they're pretty hard to see. So I really do like that. I think last time we checked out a pretty not great screen protector. That's why it kind of broke when I was putting it on. So yeah, I think I really nailed this and it might be something I keep on the phone, Maybe. I just don't want to worry about scratches and I'm not sure why, but I tend to slide my phone on the table with the glass side down because I hate the sound that the camera makes when it scratches on the table. So that is that. Let's go ahead and put on that case that it came with because we might as well do that. So I'll have the protector link down below in the description as well as other ones, just so you guys can try that out for yourselves. But based on my experience right now, I highly recommend it, but I also highly recommend that if you can, just forget about the guide stickers. I couldn't deal with them. They were making things worse. I would have put it on quicker had it not been for the guide stickers. Let me unlock this. And there we go. So we can see here, I've just begun the setup of my phone. So you can see there, you can't really see the screen protector, especially once you put on a case, you won't even be able to feel the sides of the protector, which is great. So you can see that there. You can't feel it, goes right to the edges and you can't see it whatsoever. There's a slight hint of something here. I hope it wasn't a fingerprint, and it might have been a fingerprint now that I think about it. I think I grabbed it from there. So make sure to just grab it from the sides and just go for it, guys. Just do it yourself. You got it. You can do it. If you do it in the bathroom, it's even better. Hopefully that gives you an idea a little bit. And that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about glass screen protectors and if you're gonna get one. So, or if you hate them or if they're not good. But yeah, you can comment down below and ask any questions as well. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And aside from that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.